Are you looking for a Combi? You tried to buy one in your country, but it's too expensive. Maybe you tried to import your Combi, but you don't know a legit company and you're afraid of scams. But don't worry. Secured, reliable, and with 2 years of experience, Combi Kombi is the bridge between you and the car of your dreams. 2 solutions. You know Kombis well, and you know how to do small jobs on mechanics or on the body. Go to our catalog, and you will find hundreds of cars being sold by Brazilian people. Just choose the one you desire, select the options you would like to add, and relax. We deal with everything: paperwork, checkup of the car, installations of your options, and the transportation. Or you want a car ready to use. We do full restorations in our garage in Brazil, meeting European and American quality standards for a very attractive price. Once again, we take care of everything. Every Friday, you will receive a photo report of your project. Before you know it, your new car will be at your home ready to be loved. All in the most transparent way. No shady business. Make your dream become reality.